We were brought together on day one of this event as a group of researchers that most of whom had never met each other before. We spent the majority of the first day getting a sense of what one another's research interests were and where there might be potential for joining up and collaborating.
I really wanted to meet people outside of my discipline and try and create relationships and instigate collaborations. I came with an idea of using magnetism to steer therapies into tumours, and since speaking to people, you know, we want to expand this now to look at other diseases, so targeting the brain, steering therapies to the brain, so not just cancer but lots of other diseases as well.
I came to the event with the hope of developing an idea that I'd begun to discuss with a colleague in philosophy department. We talked about the problem of collective action, collective identity and responsibility, particularly in the context of global governance and international institutions.
Events like this provide a good opportunity for the university's community of researchers to get out of their niche areas of everyday work and to come into contact with each other in a fairly informal and relaxed environment, but to be pushed to develop their ideas in a dynamic and ultimately quite high-pressured way, building towards a final pitch at the end of the programme of activities.
We've really now got the first seeds of funding to be able to start this interdisciplinary network and hopefully draw Sheffield, draw others to Sheffield and put Sheffield's name on the map for this, research into collective action. So it's very exciting.
I've had lots of fun. I've been able to think about science kind of outside the laboratory. I've also thought a lot about the future because of this event. You know, where do we want to be in 20 years' time? You know, how do we want to train the scientists of the future? You know, we want people to kind of not just be good at science but be good at the other disciplines as well. And I think today's event's been really important in kind of bringing the disciplines together.